Hey, I want to thank y'all for tuning in. This is Pat from Davidson Hosting Solutions. And in this video, I'm just going to be telling you the different types of websites that I make. And also, as a bonus in the end of the video, I'm going to be giving you a few questions that you need to ask yourself when you are about to start on a website endeavor. So, once again, my name is Patrick. My channel is Davidson Hosting Solutions. And if you are interested in web hosting or online entrepreneurship, be sure to like, subscribe, comment, and share. And also, you could visit me at my website, davidsonhostingsolutions.com, or at my Facebook page, Davidson Hosting Solutions. But getting into it, the different types of websites that I can currently make. The number one is a WordPress blog website. So a WordPress blog website is just a simple install that only takes about 15 minutes to do. All you need really is a domain name and hosting, which, if you want 1 year of a domain name with hosting, it'll cost you about $75. You can get that from davidsonhostingsolutions.com. And yeah, it'll be about $75. It'll take about 15 minutes to set up. Um, so with a WordPress blog website, basically it's a standalone website that you would run. Excuse me. It's very easy to use. Excuse me. It's basically, if you could use Facebook, you'd be able to use this. Take you about 15 to 30 minutes to learn how to use it. You get your own email login as an admin, and then off you go. You got free templates or paid ones. And basically, what the template is basically the website is already pre-made, and you just gotta load it up. Also, second type of website is an e-commerce website, which if you want an e-commerce site, then right now what I'm using is a program called Magneto. You can get your domain and then have a section of your website be an e-commerce site, or you can have the main page be e-commerce, and then that will allow you to basically sell your products, process shipping, and receive payments, and have a customer management resource available to you to give offers and promotions to. Third type of website that's popular is an event landing page, which is like a 1 to 3 page website that just gives details about your event, and then also allows users to register, buy tickets, or RSVP, and join your email club. So that's a big one for promoters who need websites for certain events, and they can just set that up fairly quickly, going with Davidson Hosting Solutions. Okay, fourth page is a personal web page. So if you just want, a place to, showcase like an online resume, or some type of, career website where people can go to, see your career information, and a lot of people are including their LinkedIn pages, but that would be a good idea also. But a online web page, kind of customized, like you can name it after yourself. Like I would be patrickdavidson.com, and then once people click on it, or you hand them a business card, or have your website linked to your LinkedIn page, and they just click on it, see all your history and everything like that. And then the fifth one is an artist web page. So if you're like a music artist, photographer, visual artist, anything like that, you can compile a web page fairly easy. And you can use WordPress or any other platform, and you still require domain name and hosting, and you can just set it up to visually represent what you were trying to display. So that's the five types of websites that I make currently, or that are pretty easy to make if you are looking to start a business or some type of website or online project. Those are the five kinds that pretty quick to make, and you can get those from me at davidsonhostingsolutions.com. Now, also, You know, like I told you in the beginning of the video, some questions that you would need to ask yourself when you're, going about your web design process of, starting your website is, do you need design services? Design services include graphic design, special coding sometimes to make your website appear a certain way if you're not getting a template or anything like that. And also, digital editing and photography. If you do, you just let us know ahead of time, and we'll, if we need to bring designers in or work with someone, then whatever you need to do to get your goal accomplished, I'm willing to work with you. I know a few designers, and we'll make it work. Another question is, do you already have an idea for your website? Now, if you have an idea for your website and you just need to execute it, you usually want to let people know ahead of time, or write it down, write your goal and your strategy down, and that will help us when it's time to put your project together. What's your timeline like is the third question. Some people, they come in, they want to make a website. They might only have a few weeks. Some people might have a few months, but just try to think of, what your timeline would be. And the realistic timeline, I would say, is anywhere between, 1 month for most jobs to 3. 1 month, maybe not, but that'll give you a time to kind of iron out all the kinks and everything like that. How much money are you looking to spend on your whole endeavor? Now, on the low end, if you just need the domain hosting and WordPress and all that, you could be looking like around like $125 to start off, and then you can kind of do everything on your own and just learn and do trial and error. But if you want to get into like the SEO and things of that nature, it could cost you a little bit more because you're basically paying for the knowledge that these people have that will allow you to get your results quicker. So, the more money you spend basically is helping you decrease the amount of time that you will be spending to get these results that you're looking for. And, the last thing is, will you need routine maintenance? If you need routine maintenance on a website, sometimes that can cost a monthly fee, and depending on what all you need done, that should be worked out, before everything is finalized. But that's it for my, my bonus tips. But thank you, and if you thought this video was helpful, please like, comment, share, subscribe to my channel. I'm going to keep making these videos if you guys are finding them helpful, but just you got to let me know if it's helping you, something that you want to see in a future video, or any suggestions. But thank you very much, and once again, it's Pat signing off.